Welcome to Kusumika's classes where you'll be learning everything about Bengali speaking, Bengali listening, Bengali pronunciation and Bengali grammar. All of this in just one single course, the complete Bengali learners course for beginners. Do you want to speak Bengali like native speakers? Do you want to master every topic of Bengali grammar? Do you want to understand accents from both Bangladesh and India? Then this is definitely the course for you. I am Kusumika Mukherjee and I am a language teacher. I teach Bengali, English and Hindi to students all over the world. I have a lot of experience in doing this, over 20 years. I am an alumni of IIM Calcutta in the Education Leadership Program. Also, I have a first class master's degree in English. When you purchase this course, you will get 6+ hours of video lessons and 50+ lectures. These have been divided into 10 different sections to facilitate the learning process. My objective is to ensure that you learn in the easiest, simplest and the most efficient way possible. To make sure that you get enough practice, there are PDF worksheets and practice exercises as well. Real-life examples, Bengali conversations on topics that are going to be important to you are also included over here. So I am sure that all this is going to ensure that you end up learning Bengali quite well. Now let's see what you can expect from this course. In the speaking section, I have tried to ensure that you know enough words and enough about Bangla to carry on basic conversations over a variety of topics. This may include introducing yourself, narrating an incident, or just, talking about your daily routine. In the listening section, in Bangla, especially for beginners, there are certain sounds which sound absolutely alike. But in reality, they are different from each other. For example, A, O. I have made sure that you know how to pick up the different sounds when you listen to someone else so that you know what they are saying to you. In the grammar section, a wide variety of topics have been covered. Pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, everything to make sure that Bengali comes very simply to you. Special emphasis have been given on verbs, especially how they conjugate depending on tenses and the pronouns. Also, sentence structuring is essential when you're trying to pick up a new language. It is important that you structure the sentences properly so that other people understand what exactly are you trying to say to them. I have explained the various concepts of sentence structure in Bengali. Not only short sentences but longer sentences as well. To make sure that you sound correct, that is your words come out correctly, I have enunciated each word multiple times so that you can pick up the pronunciations easily. All words have been written in the Roman script, so you can read them and become 100% perfect in your accent. Absolutely like a native speaker. But now to the best part. You can directly message me if you have any queries about the course or need some doubts cleared. I promise I will respond. I am here to guide you through your language learning journey. After all, my aim is the same as yours, to make sure that you become a fluent Bengali speaker. Here are a few snippets from the various video lectures in this course so that you get a glimpse of what you can expect to learn from this. I can speak a little Bengali. Ami ekটু বাংলা বলতে পারি. আমি একটু বাংলা বলতে পারি. Ami is I. একটু a little, Bangla, Bengali, বলতে speak, পারি can. When we want to place an article with singular number of living beings, in that case we add T or ta to the singular number of living beings. The man. Man is Manush. The man. Manushti. Manushta. Manushti. Manushta. Ghori. Ghori. Clock. Pakha. Pakha. Fan. Alo. Alo. Light. Porda. Porda. Curtain. Ikar. Kintu. Kintu. Meaning but. Ikar. Baki. Baki. Meaning due. Ukar. Kuasha. Kuasha. Meaning fog. Ukar. Cool. Cool. Meaning shore. To show kindness. Aha. Aha re. Ki dosha. Ki obostha. Bechara. Aha re. তাড়াতাড়ি শিশুটিকে কেউ একটু দুধ দাও. Oh, someone give milk to the baby quickly. Baby, শিশু, quickly, তাড়াতাড়ি, দুধ, give some milk, দুধ দাও. ও আহারে, আহারে, তাড়াতাড়ি শিশুটিকে কেউ একটু দুধ দাও. Pray. In India, pray is prarthona. Prarthona. In Bangladesh, pray is doa. Doa. Yes, in a polite tone. For example, somebody calls you and you answer yes, or you agree with someone. Yes. In India, you would say agge. Agge. In Bangladesh, you would say G. G. G can also be used in a negative sense. For example, you want to politely say a no. Then you can say G na. G na. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start learning.